Hi, welcome to Sapphire Blue Travel and Explore. Today I thought we would do something a little bit different. I'm going to do an unboxing. I am going to do an unboxing for a Pacsafe Women's Style Anti-Theft Crossbody Bag. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I love Pacsafe bags. Yesterday in the post arrived my latest acquisition from Pacsafe. This is actually going to be an everyday bag, but it is a travel bag, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm going to do an unboxing, have a look at it, get my reactions, have a look through it, show you some of the details, and then we'll do a little bit of a review in a week after I've used it. Let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? It's arrived in a bag. Now, I did actually open the bag because I wasn't expecting it till next week. So the tape is technically open, but I have not actually had a look at the bag. In here, we have just the bag. Before I go to having a close look at the bag, let's see what Amazon has said about the bag. If you want to actually check all this information out, I'll put the link in the description below. And if you purchase it through my Amazon affiliate link, you help our channel progress a little bit further along in the development and just add a little bit of extra support. The Pacsafe Women's Stylesafe Anti-Theft Crossbody Bag. It is a crossbody bag that will elevate your travel style and give you more peace of mind when traveling. It's ultra lightweight with polyester linings and polyester outer. Deter pockets with secure zip closures that locks to a zip clip. I love their zip clips just for that little added extra bit of security and peace of mind when you're walking around checking out beautiful cities and locations. Can be worn as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. I must admit I'm more of a shoulder bag person unless I'm in a high tourist zone, then they usually become crossbody. But I definitely have bought this as an everyday shoulder bag. You can secure your bag to any fixture to help secure and lower the risk of theft. Keep your bag safe from a snatch and grab. The turn and lock hook system fixes your bag in 2 easy steps. The front exterior features 2 lockable zip pockets and dual slip pockets, as well as a hidden pocket. Lots of access from the outside by the sounds of it. This bag features exo mesh /guard wiring to protect your gear against the old cut and run. And we know it works, as I've shared in other videos. My daughter had a backpack that she was using in Oxford when she arrived, and she had it attempted to be slashed multiple times because, as she says, I look like a tourist, so they aimed me even though I lived there. We can't forget the RFID. It is RFID safe. Blocking materials prevent your data from falling into the wrong hands by blocking out virtually all transmissions between 10 megahertz and 3 gigahertz, which covers the radio frequencies used in e-passports, credit cards and smart cards and key cards. The interior boasts organisation such as a padded mini tablet compartment, zip pocket and slip pocket. And the dimensions of it is 21 by 28 by 8 centimetres and weighs 310 grams, so not too heavy at all. Let's have a look. Great little pouchy type design with the rounded bottom. It's not too wide, so for an everyday bag it's quite good. The reason I'm not going to use it for travel is, one, I've got a couple of other Pacsafe bags that we'll look at another time, but my everyday across the shoulder bag, which is a City Safe, is my preferred bag because it's a bit bigger. It fits my camera in it for days off and stuff like that. So, but it's nice and slim, easy to fit if you don't have a lot. Oh, we have a pocket here. A great place to hold your maps and any sort of paperwork you need easy access to. Going to the front, a easy open magnetic button clip is the first thing we find, and the Pacsafe symbol. Then as we come in, what have we got? We've got a zip that's slipped into a little tab so that it can't just be easily grabbed and opened. So let's push that through, easy peasy, open it. And again, another great little pocket just to hold stuff in and just keep it all safe, those things that you don't want to be digging for all the time. So, so what have we got? So there's nothing on the flap. The flap is just flap. Open the zipper. And what have we got in here? In here, we've got the strap. So that's a great shoulder length, and then it can be easily adjusted for those cross the body moments. And you've also got, this is probably one thing that I find isn't amazing with Pacsafe, but it does help. You've got like a little thing that holds it all together. So it stops it sliding a little bit when you're not wanting to adjust the size of it. And then on this end, we've got the clip for your zipper. Again, it can thread through into a little loop to keep it safe, or you can just leave it so that it's flipping, like just flapping around to put your zipper on. So then you would pull your zipper across and link it on. I would think it would go there. So let's, as you can see, the design's slightly different to my other bag, so I'm just trying to figure out exactly the changes they've made and how they work. There we go. So if you've put the clip through the little loop, you can then zip it in, clip it into that little hole there. Once you've covered that over, people can't see it. So let's open that again, unzip it. Inside, shall we take a look at that? We do have a zipper here, which is a great little compartment that's RFID protected for passports and anything else that you want to keep safe if you don't have them in a wallet. A little latch on a key ring that you can put things like your hotel key or stuff that you want to just keep safe in your bag. And then you've got your big, so that's actually probably where you'd put your mini tablet or a book or something that you wanted to keep separated. So I'm really, really excited about this. It's easy to use. Oh, let's do this up. I thought I did that. Oh, this lock here, as you can see at the moment on this lock, you can push it down, but if you turn that little black thing around, you now can't open that, and it's locked so that people can't just walk past and slip your bag off. So say if you're in a cafe or something like that and there was a place in the chair where you could secure your bag, you just undo that, feed it through the arm or the back of the chair, wherever that slit is, put it back on, do your little lock up, and no one's going to be able to run and grab. It's not going to be a simple snatch and grab. They're going to alert you to the fact that they're there because they've stuffed it. So, yeah. So this is the Pacsafe Women's Style Crossbody handbag. So I'll let you know how I find it. As I said, I'll be using it for every day, not necessarily for travel, but I'm really excited for this to become my handbag every day. This is 5 days post unboxing my Pacsafe Stylesafe bag, and I've got to say I'm loving it. I know I'm not using it as a travel bag, and probably never will really unless I do some local short-term travel, but it is so versatile. It's working so well. I even took it shopping and fitted a large pair of, like a full length pair of trousers in there when I shopped, and they didn't give me a shopping bag. and a few other things on top of it as well, and was still able to access my wallet and my car keys and everything else as I needed to as I went along. So I'm loving this bag, and I can't recommend it enough. I've got the navy blue one because, as you can see, I do wear a lot of blue, but it also comes in black, and I think there might be another colour as well. Great. If you're interested in finding out more, check out the link in the description below. As I said, I will put that there. I'll also put in a link to the Stylesafe bag so that you can have a look at the different features in both of them and make a decision that may help you. There's lots of travel bags out there, but as I said, I'm a Pacsafe girl. Thanks for joining me. Why not hit the like and subscribe buttons while you're here? And I would love for you to see our Tuesday and Thursday uploads. Have a great day. As always, travel brilliantly. Bye.